Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Pusheen Eclair. So first let's get started by drawing in our eyes. So on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a small circle. And then moving over to the right of that, lining that up at the same height, we're going to replicate that. Now starting in the top left hand corner, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the eye. Now for the nose and mouth, starting in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. Moving underneath now, we're going to draw in a small arch line from left to right. Up above now for the top of the head, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across. For the ear on the right hand side now, we're going to arch this line up and then back down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from here, moving underneath on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Let's leave a small gap, replicating that. And then again, one more time. Now moving across before we draw in the rest of the body, we're going to draw the whipped cream above. So we're going to come up on a diagonal, curving this line around, out, and then in. And then starting back on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the bottom. Moving beside that from that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then in. And then one more time as we move further down, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in again. Let's close off the top of the body by drawing in a straight line that comes across. And then behind this, we're just going to draw in the strawberry. So we're going to arch this line around and then down. Up above on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. From that point, we'll replicate that. And then one more time as we move across, we're going to curve that line back in towards the side. Now we're going to draw in the seeds. So we're going to curve this line around, down, back, around, and then up. We're going to move down above the ear, replicating that. And then again, moving up on a diagonal, creating that one more time. Now from here for the rest of the body, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to curve this line around and then in, and we're going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here to connect this, on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then on the right-hand side, we'll curve this line in, bringing this all the way across, connecting that together on the bottom line. For the whiskers now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now from here on the left, on the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Again, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this line over and up on the side. Let's draw on the tail now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around, down, and then back in. From here now, we're going to draw in some straight lines as we come across. And we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we do that 4 times in total. For the legs now, on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then moving over towards the left, we're going to replicate that. And then one more time as we leave a small gap, curving that around and then back up. And that is it. That's how you draw Pusheen Eclair. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.